Our mission at Authority Machining is to deliver quality components on time. And we do this by reinvesting in leading technology, which in return ensures customer satisfaction. My name is Bryce Bredhorst. I'm the owner of Authority Machining, based out of Ramsey, Minnesota. Authority Machining is a family-owned and operated one-stop full-service machine shop. We serve various industries, primarily fluid handling, pneumatic, oil and gas components, and we have plans to enter into the aerospace and medical fields in the near future. So I've been working with LNS for 13 plus years. So when we opened the doors at Authority Machining, we chose LNS just from the familiarity of it, but we continue to choose LNS due to the service and the consistency of the product. For us, it's ultimately the lights out manufacturing that allows us to be competitive. It allows our machines to run unattended so our machinists can use their time to do more skilled tasks. There's 168 hours in a week, and LNS helps us maximize every hour of that. Our LNS bar feeders are very important to our manufacturing process. It allows us to be able to load the bars into the machine, whether it be 3-foot, 6-foot, or 12-foot bars, depending on the bar feeder we have paired with that machine. It allows us to develop a process that's automated. We would not be where we're at today without it, and we would not have grown as fast as we have. Service and support is big for us at Authority Machining. We're a small machine shop, so we can't necessarily absorb the cost of a machine being down. So when the issue arises, we need to be able to get a hold of someone right away, and we need to be able to diagnose what the issue is and find a resolution as soon as possible. We would recommend LNS products. The service and the consistency of the product is what keeps us coming back